ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level.
6.2 Benefits and Risks of Test Automation. Simply acquiring a tool does not guarantee success. Each new tool will require effort to achieve real and lasting benefits. For example, for tool introduction, maintenance, and training. There are also some risks that need analysis and mitigation. Potential benefits of using test automation include time saved by reducing repetitive manual work, prevention of simple human errors through greater consistency and repeatability, more objective assessment and providing measures that are too complicated for humans to determine, easier access to information about testing to support test management and test reporting, and reduced test execution times to provide earlier defect detection, faster feedback, and faster time to market, and more time for testers to design new, deeper, and more effective tests. Potential risks of using test automation include unrealistic expectations about the benefits of a tool, inaccurate estimations of time, costs, efforts required to introduce a tool, maintain test scripts, and change the existing manual test process. Using a test tool when manual testing is more appropriate, relying on a tool too much. The dependency on the tool vendor, which may go out of business, retire the tool, sell the tool to a different vendor, or provide poor service. Using an open source software which may be abandoned, meaning that no further updates are available, or its internal components may require quite frequent updates as further development. An automation tool is not compatible with a development platform, and choosing an unsuitable tool that did not comply with the regulatory requirements and/or safety standards.
If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org.